A doctor trusted to treat children accused of inappropriately touching a young boy in the hospital. Dr. David Randolph is from Concord, but his medical training crosses both Carolinas.
And he is facing criminal charges in South Carolina. But our anchor Allison Lottis learned another family claims that he inappropriately touched their son, too.
And that family just filed this civil lawsuit against Dr. David Randolph, claiming they hired Randolph, who was a UNC Chapel Hill medical student, as a babysitter. And this lawsuit claims that boy's mother tried to warn hospital officials months before Randolph's arrest.
Dr. David Randolph is a Cabarrus County native and was a senior pediatric resident at Prisma Health Pediatric Hospital. He's accused of repeatedly assaulting an 11-year-old in his care this year. Columbia police say the child's medical condition does not require protocol for a doctor or member of the medical staff to perform a daily genital examination. But a North Carolina family says the hospital had a firm warning well ahead of these charges. Rock Hill attorney Randy Hood filed this lawsuit. It claims Dr. Randolph touched a different child in 2014 and 15 while he was hired as an overnight babysitter while a medical student at UNC Chapel Hill.
David Randolph would crawl into his bed and try to touch him and grope him.
Hood says his client filed a police report. Then in 2018, when they learned Dr. Randolph was hired at Prisma, his client tried to warn the hospital, writing, quote, "I, in my heart, do not feel that David Randolph should be working with children in any capacity." The hospital's attorney responded, saying officials would follow up with an appropriate investigation. Hospital officials say they completed an internal investigation, contacted authorities, and took appropriate action. But Randolph's recent arrest involving a patient happened 15 months later. Tonight, Dr. Randolph's attorney tells me Randolph denies the allegations in the civil lawsuit and will zealously and vigorously defend against them and will preserve his reputation. He's an excellent resident pediatric physician with impeccable credentials, and he welcomes going to court to vindicate himself.
The family involved in this civil lawsuit filed a report with Carrboro Police in 2015. Today, a captain told me there were no charges and the case is considered inactive. Dr. Randolph's attorney also says that UNC campus police investigated the family's claims and did not file charges.
Well, Allison, what is David Randolph's status as a doctor right now?
Well, I looked up his license with the South Carolina Medical Board. It is still listed as active, but Prisma Health Children's Hospital told us today he is no longer employed there.
All right, Allison, thank you.